In our interconnected world, cybersecurity is vital in safeguarding sensitive information, critical infrastructure, and personal data from unauthorized access, misuse, and malicious activities. It addresses the increasing prevalence of cyber threats, including data breaches and ransomware attacks, which pose risk to individual, organizations, and economies. Moreover, cybersecurity is essential for maintaining trust in digital technologies and protecting online transactions, intellectual properties, and individual privacy. As a result, the increasing demand for cybersecurity experts is apparent and projected to grow in the coming years. As this demand expands, a wide range of career prospects in the cybersecurity field become available to individuals with various backgrounds and skill sets. Some of the roles in this domain include security analysts, cryptographers, and security consultants. Based on the data from Glassdoor, the average annual salary for cybersecurity professionals in the United States is approximately $92,000. In India, the average annual salary is 12 lakh. Some well-known companies hire cybersecurity professionals, including American Express, Netflix, Oracle, Amazon, LinkedIn, Microsoft, Google, and VMware. However, it's worth noting that there are numerous other companies, both large and small, across various industries that also hire cybersecurity experts. On that note, hello everyone and welcome to Simplilearn's YouTube channel. This video will dive into an insightful discussion on the top cybersecurity bootcamp for 2023.
To embark on a successful career in cybersecurity, a blend of technical skills, knowledge, and specific personal qualities is essential. The following are critical skills and attributes that hold significant value for individuals aspiring to enter cybersecurity. First, it is essential to acquire knowledge of computer systems, specifically how they operate, including hardware, software, protocols, and networks. Next, after gaining knowledge of computer systems, it is essential to focus on network security. This involves learning about network architecture, firewalls, IDS, virtual private networks, and other network security technologies. Then, once you have developed an understanding of network security, it is crucial to focus on programming and scripting. Acquire programming skills in languages like Python, C++, and Java, or scripting languages like PowerShell and Bash, which can be used for automation, analysis, and developing security tools. Focus on vulnerability assessment and penetration testing. It is crucial to learn how to identify and exploit vulnerabilities in systems and networks and conduct ethical hacking to assess and enhance security. Then, cryptography. Familiarize yourself with encryption algorithms, cryptographic protocols, and their applications in securing data and communications. Additionally, skills that are important to have an understanding include operating systems, secure coding, effective communication and teamwork, analytical and problem-solving skills, and a commitment to continuous learning. Building a solid foundation in these skills will provide a strong starting point for your journey to become a cybersecurity professional. Moreover, staying up to date with cybersecurity advancements and regularly updating security measures is crucial for individuals and organizations to ensure optimal protection against cyber threats. With that in mind, embark on the journey as a cybersecurity professionals with the Caltech Cybersecurity Bootcamp. Acquire the skills and practical experience necessary to safeguard critical systems and sensitive data from cyber attacks, all through engaging in real-world projects. With this Caltech Cybersecurity Bootcamp, enhance your proficiency in defensive and offensive cybersecurity, digital forensic, penetration testing, infrastructure design, and other essential areas. Our comprehensive curriculum, hands-on labs, and guided practices provide exposure to a wide range of in-demand cybersecurity tools. As you progress through the course, you will follow a comprehensive learning path that includes fundamental cybersecurity concepts, network systems, Python programming, system administration, and offensive security and defensive security practices. Additionally, you will gain hands-on experience through multiple projects in sandboxed labs, ensuring that you emerge as a standout, industry-ready cybersecurity professional. The course covers many essential skills, including network security, risk management, threat analysis, data privacy and security, digital forensic, incident management, data privacy, identity management, and many more. Along with the skills, the course also covers various tools and technologies such as Python, Linux, and many more. Also, embark on exciting industry projects that provide hands-on experience and practical insights. So, hurry up and find the course link in the description box for more details. Our learners have experienced huge success in their career. Listen to their experience, find the Simplilearn course review link in the description box. The next cohort is starting soon. To know more about this intensive training program, which imparts job-ready skills and prepares you for a career as a cybersecurity expert, check out the link below in the description box. With this, we have come to the end of this Best Cybersecurity Bootcamp for 2023. If you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to never miss any updates from Simplilearn. If you need any help opting for this course, please let us know in the comment section below. We will get back to you as soon as possible. Until next time, thank you, stay safe, and keep learning.
Staying ahead in your career requires continuous learning and upskilling. Whether you're a student aiming to learn today's top skills or a working professional looking to advance your career, we've got you covered. Explore our impressive catalog of certification programs in cutting-edge domains, including data science, cloud computing, cybersecurity, AI, machine learning, or digital marketing. Designed in collaboration with leading universities and top corporations, and delivered by industry experts, choose any of our programs and set yourself on the path to career success. Click the link in the description to know more.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.